Ever felt like your project is spiraling out of control? Deadlines missed, clients frustrated, and your team burned out? You might be using the wrong project methodology. Today, we're breaking down the big differences between Waterfall and Agile, and trust me, you don't want to get them confused.
Waterfall is like building a house. You lay the foundation, build the walls, then the roof, step by step. Each phase must be completed before the next begins. It's structured, predictable, and great for projects with clear requirements.
Agile is more like you already have clay and you're sculpting it. You shape, refine, and adapt as you go. Broken into short sprints, usually 2 to 4 weeks, allows teams to pivot quickly based on feedback and evolving needs.
Waterfall is rigid. Once a phase is done, changes are tough. Agile is iterative and changes are expected. Need to tweak a feature mid-project? No problem. But keep in mind, you don't change the foundation of your house after you've reached putting on the roof.
Waterfall is big on documentation. Every step is recorded in detail. Agile prefers working software over paperwork. It's adaptive and focused on delivery.
In Waterfall, the client is involved early and late. In Agile, they're part of the journey, giving feedback after every sprint. It's collaboration versus delegation.
Waterfall is perfect for projects with fixed goals, like construction, manufacturing, and IT infrastructure. Agile shines in tech software, startups, and anything where requirements evolve.
Waterfall tries to avoid late surprises. Agile tries to catch issues early. With both methodologies, ongoing monitoring is critical.
Let's recap. Waterfall is linear, rigid, and documentation-heavy, and clarity of vision is paramount. Agile is iterative, flexible, and client-focused. Choosing the right method can make or break your project, and it depends on what you're actually attempting to do. You cannot build a house, bridge, or IT infrastructure using Agile.
Don't get it confused. Waterfall and Agile are worlds apart, but both have their place. Pick wisely. If you're a contractor or a consultant looking to level up, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop a comment. We post daily tips to help you thrive in any industry. Thanks for watching.